Genetic algorithms are a type of artificial intelligence, AI, that are inspired by the process of natural selection in biological evolution. In genetic algorithms, a population of possible solutions is created and evolved through a series of selection, crossover, and mutation operations. The idea is to simulate the process of natural selection in order to find the best possible solution to a problem. The process starts by creating an initial population of potential solutions to the problem. Each solution is represented by a set of parameters or features that can be varied. The solutions are then evaluated based on some objective function or fitness criteria, which measures how well each solution solves the problem. The selection process involves selecting the fittest solutions from the population. These solutions are then used as parents to create new solutions through crossover and mutation operations. In crossover, two parent solutions are combined to create a new solution that inherits features from both parents. In mutation, a new solution is created by randomly changing some of the features of an existing solution. The new solutions are then evaluated, and the process of selection, crossover, and mutation continues until a satisfactory solution is found or a predetermined stopping criterion is met. Genetic algorithms have been successfully used in a variety of applications, including optimization problems, machine learning, and artificial life simulations. They offer a powerful and flexible approach to problem solving and are particularly useful for complex problems with many possible solutions. Thanks for watching. Wait for the next video.